land of forts, deserts, and colorful turbans.
It's time to call the desert winds to present Rajasthan's royal rhythm with ghungroos and dolak and movements of Ghumar dance.
I now invite parent of Alina Khan to kindly give the feedback.
Good evening everyone, honorable principal, dedicated teachers, staff and my fellow parents. Standing here today and watching these wonderful performances, I am struck by how much our children have grown. We often think of school as just a place for test books and exams, but being part of this community has shown me it is so much more. This school is a place where our children find their voices, learn the value of kindness and build friendships. that may last a lifetime. To the teachers, thank you for your patience and for seeing the unique potential in every child. You don't just teach, you inspire. And for the school management, thank you for providing safe, nurturing environment where our kids feel at home. And finally, to the students, we are so proud of you, not just for the grades that you get, but for the effort you put in and the people you are becoming. So let's give all the performances and the school team a big round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the insights of Joshi's CBSE school. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our flight is ready to land in the northeast.
It is a land of tea gardens, rivers, and the mighty Brahmaputra.
The people of Assam celebrate their festival called Bihu with music, dolls, and joy all around.
Let's welcome our dancers on stage with big round of applause.
Get ready to enjoy the beats of the famous Bihu dance and welcome our dancers from grade 3 achievers.
ছালরে কুমুরা জানই কলহত মলঙে কলহরে দৈ ওই মনরে কথাটি জানই মনতে খাচিছো জানই কেনে কৈ দিমেনো বুকু ডাঠি কৈ জানই জান রূপ যে লাগিব ভুই লক্ষ্মী তোৰে দুহাতেৰে কঠিয়াতে দিবি চুই একাঠু বুকাতে জানই জান রূপ যে লাগিব ভুই লক্ষ্মী তোৰে দুহাতেৰে কঠিয়াতে দিবি চুই কমে মনরে কথাটি দিমে কি নিদিমে মাত লমে কি নলমে বুকুতে খাবতি কিবা জুই লাগিছে গা লৈ মনতে সাঁচিছো জানৈ ঘৰতে দিনে তোৰ বুকু ডাঠিকৈ খাবতি কিবা জুই লাগিছে গাত
Now, moving on to the next segment, I request all the admin staff of CBSE and SSE to come onto the stage along with Sir. I request Vedant Sir also onto the stage.
To shift our gaze into storytelling, presenting witty, warm, thought-provoking skit represents the diverse cultures of India.
Our real strength lies not only in the dance and music, but in the spirit of our diversity. We are beautifully stand together, and that's the essence of India.
Let's watch out a skit with the theme Unity in Diversity.
Big round of applause. It's your encouragement that keeps them going. They have been waiting since 3 o'clock, you know. They all got ready from 3 o'clock and they have been waiting for their performance. I think they deserve another big round of applause.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे होई गई रात અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा गाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छुप छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूं सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जो गाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात जो गाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेरंग जुए तारी बात रे जो काला तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेरंग जुए तारी बात रे
Thank you, dear students. Now may I call upon the stage parent of Pragna and Prajwala to kindly share his feedback. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the parent of Pragna and Prajwala.
Good evening, everyone. Actually, I have prepared a lot, but after seeing all this performance, really I got blank. Without this paper, I think I can't express my anything now. Good evening, JVNS and team. Special thanks to Joshi sir, Arvind Joshi, Siddhant Joshi, and entire Joshi family for providing this opportunity. And principal madams from CBSE, SSC, and Eurokids, and esteemed teachers and supporting staff, and supporting parents and entire team. Actually, it is a mesmerizing performance. Really, I got blank. I'm not able to say anything, whatever I have prepared. It is a collective effort and collaborative effort, and the outcome is like this. This is the live example of a collaborative event and collective efforts. Thank you.
Jagdish Joshi sir onto the stage, please. I request Pravalika ma'am.
Young CEO, Technical Director of our school, Mr. Vedant Joshi. I request all of you to give a huge round of applause for this boy, a very young boy in our team, but yet very energetic, and he does all the work along with us each and every day, from morning till evening. Though we may leave home, but still he's on his office, on his laptop, working continuously. And his new ideas are bringing a lot of changes into the Joshi's curriculums, into the Joshi's sports arena, and into the Joshi's social media. It's not one part of Joshi's. At every part of Joshi's, now Vedant ideas are really reverberating. Thank you, Mr. Vedant, for all the hard work and all the support you give us to each one of us. We never feel him like our boss. He's like our family. He's always supportive. So thank you so much for being so kind and heartful to us. Thank you, Vedant.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vedant. Thank you, ma'am. I request all of you to please stay back on the stage. We have one more person to be felicitated. Ladies and gentlemen, behind every successful event is a quiet force that plans, prepares, and perfects every detail. Today, we take a moment to acknowledge a person whose dedication ensures that our school functions smoothly and every program happens seamlessly, as you are seeing right now. From procuring essential materials to coordinating arrangements, she works tirelessly, often behind the scenes, so that everything runs without a hitch. On this special occasion of our annual day, we are proud to felicitate Miss Gayatri, our school's administrative in charge, for her commitment, efficiency, and unwavering support to the institution. We request Miss Gayatri to kindly come on stage as a mark of our appreciation and gratitude on behalf of the entire Joshi's family. Pravalika ma'am, please join them on stage. Ma'am, your dedication may work silently, but its impact speaks loudly through every successful moment we celebrate today. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to please put your hands together for Miss Gayatri.
There's another person, the one who is working really hard to make all our events evident, audible, and the one who can enjoy without which it is really not possible. That's none other than Miss Shalini ma'am. So we'd like to felicitate Miss Shalini on this occasion. She's the one who's there behind all the scripts. She's the one who's there with the comparing. She's the one at every step of our special assemblies, our events. She's the one who coordinates. So thank you, Shalini. Thank you so much. So she deserves a huge round of applause, please.
Thank you, sir. This was totally unexpected. Thank you, ma'am. We request the students of Unity and Diversity onto the stage, please.
మహాత్మా గాంధీ గారి నేల అమ్మ గుజరాత్ అంటే నవరాత్రులు మొత్తం వెలుగుల పండుగ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. వణక్కం, మేము తమిళనాడు నుంచి వచ్చాము. భరతనాట్యం ఆలయాలు విజ్ఞానానికి కేంద్రం. కానీ తమిళనాడులో ఉన్న విజ్ఞానం కళలు ప్రపంచానికి ఆదర్శం. మా తమిళనాడే గొప్ప. నమస్కార్, మేము ఈశాన్య భారతదేశం నుండి వచ్చాము. టీ తోటలు, బిహు నృత్యం మా ప్రత్యేకత. మా అస్సామే గొప్పది. మేము రాజస్థాన్ నుండి వచ్చాము. కోటలు, రాజరిక సంస్కృతి. రాజస్థాన్ రాజ సాంప్రదాయం అత్యుత్తమం. మా రాజస్థానే గొప్ప. మా కేరళనే గొప్ప.
సలాం వాలేకుం. మేము కాశ్మీర్ నుండి వచ్చాము. భారత తలపాగా మంచు పర్వతాలు ఇదే మా ప్రత్యేకత. కాశ్మీరే గొప్ప. నమస్కారము. మేము తెలంగాణ నుండి వచ్చాము. బతుకమ్మ, సంక్రాంతి, బోనాలు, కూచిపూడి ఐక్యతకు నిలయాలు ఇదే మా ప్రత్యేకత. మా తెలంగాణ గొప్ప.
ఉయ్యాలో బంగారు బతుకమ్మ ఉయ్యాలో, బతుకమ్మ బతుకమ్మ ఉయ్యాలో, బంగారు బతుకమ్మ ఉయ్యాలో, ఆనాటి కాలాన ఉయ్యాలో.
భారతదేశం మనకు పోటీ కాకుండా సహకారం నేర్పింది. మన మతాలు, కులాలు, భాషలు వేరైనా మనమంతా ఒక్కటే. మన భారతదేశం భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వం గల దేశం. మన మహావాక్యం వసుదైవ కుటుంబం అంటే ప్రపంచమంతా ఒకే కుటుంబం. లెట్స్ ఎవ్రీవన్ వందే మాతరం, వందే మాతరం, వందే మాతరం.
మనమంతా ఒక్కటే, మనమంతా ఒక్కటే. మన రంగులు వేరైనా, మన భాషలు వేరైనా, మన మతాలు వేరైనా, మన కులాలు వేరైనా, మన వేషం వేరైనా, మన రక్తం ఒక్కటే, మనమంతా ఒక్కటే.
CBSE volunteers along with the anchors to please go onto the stage with sir. Let's take a picture together. On the stage, we have the sub staff coming. Verma sir and Mohan sir, please come onto the stage. That is Pradeep sir, our dance master. This is Jhansi ma'am. You must have enjoyed the lovely performances today. That's all because of Jhansi ma'am and Pradeep sir here. That is Raj Nasu sir. You are going to witness an electrifying Kung Fu performance after this. That is Abhishek sir. That is Verma sir. Akhila ma'am. We have Kittu sir on stage right now.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The people on the back go up and down, up and down, up and down. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The people on the back go up and down, up and down, up and down. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The people on the back go up and down, up and down, up and down.
I request the Kung Fu students to please come onto the stage. This will be our last performance for the day. SSC students have received 5 gold medals, 1 silver medal and 1 bronze medal. In the 29th National Open Karate Championships, SSC students have won gold 2, silver 3. CBSE students have won gold 5, silver 5 and bronze 4. In Telangana State Level Kickboxing Championships, we have received 1 gold and 1 silver. In National Kickboxing Championship held in Chennai, we have received 1 bronze medal. Moving on to Asmita Khelo India Kickboxing 2025-26 Women's League, we have received 4 bronze medals. For the President Cup All India Open Karate Championships, we have received 5 gold medals, 5 silver medals and 4 bronze medals. Overall, CBSE students have received 32 medals and SSC 23 medals. Total in this year 2025, our school has achieved a phenomenal 55 medals. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for all the young achievers on stage right now.
Host. Event 1. Host. Start. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, up, up, even 3. Answer, even 3. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Up. Even go. Girls and women. Even go. Hold. Start. Even 5. Hold. Even 5.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले रत्ती सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमान के तले शोपे हम गाने दे गाने दे
Thank you, children, for a wonderful performance. Respected Chief Guest Sir Haribhog Joshi Garu, Honorable Chairman Sir Mr. Jagadish Sir, Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Rupa Ma'am, dear teachers, parents and my dear students, a very good evening one and all. As we come to the end of this memorable annual day celebrations, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks
First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest who graciously accepted our invitation and inspired us with valuable words. I sincerely thank our chairman sir, director sir and technical director sir, management for their constant guidance. My special thanks to our respected principal ma'am for her visionary and continuous motivation, which is the backbone of all our school. My special thanks to Shalini ma'am for your constant support and encouragement and your dedication, patience. I would like to thank all the teachers and staff members, volunteers for their continuous effort and dedication. So, teamwork in organizing their wonderful program. I express my sincere appreciation to our parents for their cooperation and trust in our institution. A big round of applause and thanks to our dear students who are the real stars of the day for their energetic and confident performances. I also thank the organizing committee, coordinators, technicians and support staff for their enormous hard work and behind the scenes. Last but not the least, I thank everyone present here for your valuable time and encouragement. Good night, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot end the program without the national anthem. I request you to stand unless we complete the national anthem. National anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण